The African sun rises, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold. A new day begins on the savannah, a vast expanse of grasslands. The landscape is dotted with acacia trees, their flat tops providing shade. The air is alive with the sounds of the awakening wilderness. The savannah is a land of breathtaking beauty and raw, untamed nature. Among the most iconic inhabitants of the savannah are the Big Five: the African lion, the African elephant, the Cape buffalo, the African leopard, and the black rhinoceros. These majestic creatures are keystone species, playing vital roles in maintaining the health and balance of the ecosystem. The African lion, with its powerful roar, sits atop the food chain as the apex predator. The African elephant, the largest land mammal, clears vegetation and creates pathways. The Cape buffalo grazes on vast quantities of grass, shaping the landscape. The African leopard controls populations of smaller mammals and birds. The black rhinoceros, critically endangered, symbolizes the fragility of the savanna ecosystem. While the Big Five may steal the show, the savannah is teeming with a hidden world of fascinating creatures that are just as vital to its delicate ecosystem. From the diminutive dung beetle to the towering giraffe, each plays a unique and indispensable role. The meerkat, a small mammal known for its upright posture and social behavior, is a master at controlling insect populations, preventing potential plagues that could devastate the savannah. The aardvark, with its long snout and powerful claws, digs into termite mounds, unearthing a vital source of protein for themselves and other animals. The chameleon, a master of disguise, ambushes unsuspecting insects with its lightning-fast tongue. The termite itself, often seen as a pest, plays a crucial role in breaking down dead plant matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. These lesser-known inhabitants, though often overlooked, are just as important as their larger counterparts in maintaining the intricate web of life on the savannah. The savannah is a stage for a constant and dramatic interplay between predator and prey. Every day is a struggle for survival, a delicate dance between hunter and hunted. The lion stalks its prey with stealth and precision, its tawny coat blending seamlessly with the golden grasses. The zebra, alert and agile, relies on its speed and the safety of the herd to evade danger. The cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth, relies on its incredible bursts of speed to chase down gazelles. The wildebeest, in their millions, migrate across the plains in search of fresh grazing, their thunderous hooves a testament to the raw power of nature. This predator-prey relationship, though seemingly cruel, is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Predators keep prey populations in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the survival of the fittest. The constant threat of danger hones the instincts and agility of prey animals, driving natural selection and ensuring the survival of the species. The African savannah, this breathtaking wilderness teeming with life, faces an uncertain future. Human activities, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change, are taking their toll on this fragile ecosystem. However, all is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this precious wilderness and ensure its survival for generations to come. National parks and game reserves have been established across Africa, providing safe havens for wildlife and promoting responsible tourism. Anti-poaching units work tirelessly to combat illegal hunting and protect endangered species. Community-based conservation programs empower local communities to become stewards of their environment, promoting sustainable practices and ensuring the long-term health of the ecosystem. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial in changing attitudes and behaviors towards conservation. By fostering a sense of responsibility and appreciation for the natural world, we can inspire future generations to protect this irreplaceable treasure. The African savannah, a land of breathtaking beauty and raw, untamed nature, stands at a crossroads where the choices we make today will determine the fate of this precious ecosystem and the countless species that call it home. We have a responsibility to protect this wilderness, not just for the sake of its intrinsic value, but for the well-being of our planet and future generations. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable practices, and fostering a sense of global citizenship, we can ensure that the African savannah continues to thrive, a testament to the wonders of the natural world and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Let us work together to ensure that the sun continues to rise over the savannah, painting its vast expanse with the colors of life for generations to come.